Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Receive fruit at the factory and sort grapes to remove debris and rotten fruit, leaves and stems by hand or vibrating sorter. Crush and destem to release juice and expose 2226 bricks must, then measure acidity and pH to determine adjustments. Add 50 ppm SO2 for sanitation and oxidation control, record lot numbers, and sampling data in the log. If making white wine, press off skins promptly. For red wine, transfer crushed must to stainless steel or concrete tanks for maceration and cold soak for up to 3 days. Adjust sugar or acid only as needed and inoculate with 20 g per 1000 L active, dry yeast after rehydration following manufacturer directions. Maintain fermentation temperature profiles. Ferment at 1824 degrees C for whites to preserve aromatics and 2028 degrees C for reds to extract color and tannin. Monitor bricks or specific gravity daily and add nutrient additions as required. Primary fermentation typically lasts 5-14 days. Perform pump-overs or punch-downs for red fermentation. After fermentation, rack wine off gross lees and decide on maturation in stainless steel, neutral oak, or new oak barrels based on style. Typical barrel aging runs from 3 months to 24 months. Before bottling, adjust FreeSO2 to 30-50 ppm and fine with bentonite or silica as needed for protein stability. Cold stabilize at -4 degrees C for 1-2 weeks to remove tartrates, then sterile filter to 0. 45 microns to remove microbes. Fill into 750 ml bottles using inert gas, cork, or screw cap, and label with lot and bottle date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.